Summary of cell cycle and cell division. According to the cell theory, cell arises from pre-existing cells. The process by which this occurs is called cell division. Any sexually reproducing organism starts its life cycle from a single cell zygote. Cell division does not stop with the formation of the mature organism but continues throughout its life cycle. The stage through which a cell passes from one division to the next is called the cell cycle. Cell cycle is divided into two phases called interphase, a period of preparation of cell division, and second mitosis M phase, the actual period of cell division. Interphase is further subdivided into G1, S and G2. G1 phase is the period when cell grows and carries out normal metabolism. Most of the organelle duplication also occurs during this phase. S phase marks the phase of DNA replication and chromosome duplication. G2 phase is the period of cytoplasmic growth. Mitosis is also divided into four stages, namely prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Chromosome condensation occurs during prophase. Simultaneously, the centriole moves to the opposite poles. The nuclear envelope and the nucleolus disappear and the spindle fiber starts appearing. Metaphase is marked by the alignment of chromosomes at equatorial plate. During anaphase, the centromere divide and the chromatid start moving toward the two opposite poles. Once the chromatid reach to two poles, the chromosomal elongation starts. Nucleolus and the nuclear membrane reappear. This stage is called the telophase. Nuclear division is then followed by the cytoplasmic division and is called cytokinesis. Mitosis thus is the equational division in which the chromosome number of the parents is conserved in the daughter cell. In contrast to mitosis, meiosis occurs in diploid cells which are distinct from gametes. It is called the reductional division since it reduces the chromosome number by half while making the gametes. In sexual reproduction, when the two gametes fuse, the chromosome number is restored to the value in the parent. Meiosis is divided into two phases, meiosis first and meiosis second. In the first meiotic division, the homologous chromosome pair to form bivalent and undergo crossing over. Meiosis first has a long prophase, which is further divided into 5 phases. These are leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene and diakinesis. During metaphase first, the bivalent arrange on the equatorial plate. This is followed by anaphase first, in which homologous chromosomes moves to the opposite poles. Both their chromatids, each pole receives half the chromosome number of the parent cell. In telophase first, the nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear. Meiosis second is similar to mitosis. During anaphase second, the sister chromatid separates. Thus, at the end of meiosis, 4 haploid cells are formed. Thank you.